Hello there, this is Nikhil Yadav, Student Associated, Aspirant India Initiative. This is to inform you all that Aspirant India Initiative recently conceptualized and organized a fundraiser event open mic for students who lost access to education due to COVID on 20th June 2021. All funds raised through the event was directly contributed towards the education lives of more than 1,000 children. Our team had an opportunity to have a talk with Mr. Amrish Verma at open mic as a celebrity guest. Mr. Amrish Verma has excelled at his lines of work, being acting and creating. He's an actor and has starred in many popular YouTube videos. He has inspired many young minds, and we were honored to have him on board with us. Here are the insights of the discussion.
It's a very hard journey in the sense that you have to motivate yourself time and again, because what you're doing is unique. What you're doing is something different, not something that anyone is telling you how to do it. You figuring out for yourself. So something like that. Do you think it's a constant thing that you have to have a lot of courage to motivate yourself time and again?
Oh, absolutely. And I think if your reasons to start it are very frivolous, and what I mean by that is frivolous as in, for example, money might be the reason, or the fact that a lot of people will follow me might be the reason. And those are valid reasons. I'm not saying that could be a reason, money and following. But I mean, there has to be something more meaningful to it. वो नहीं होगा ना. तो पहली चीज जैसे मनी फॉर एग्जांपल इट डजंट गारंटी यू मनी. हम ना जब देखते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल टेल यू आई थिंक सिंस अ लॉट ऑफ यंग पीपल विल बी वाचिंग इट. सो देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड अ सर्वाइवरशिप बायस. सर्वाइवरशिप बायस क्या होता है? आप एक YouTube चैनल खोलते हैं और आपको दिखता है कि भुवन बाम का YouTube चैनल जिसके 10 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स, अब तो और ज्यादा है. आप व्लॉगर बनते हैं और आप देखते हैं व्लॉगर है जिसके इंस्टाग्राम पे 2 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स, है ना. प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है? There were at least 100,000 people who started it. Of that, one person survived. Now the problem with survivorship bias is जो बाकी लोग जो नहीं कर पाए वो दिखते ही नहीं, because they don't exist. So for you they are non-existent. वो तुम्हारी failure stories सामने आती हैं. You see that one shining guy, है ना, और आपको लगता है oh this will be this easy. So it will not be easy. So अगर आपको आती है लगता है कि मैं कोई चीज स्टार्ट करूंगा, मैं एक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ और आती है फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे को एकदम हार्डकोर लॉन्च मिलेगा, नहीं मिलेगा, है ना. सो जो फिर फ्रिवोलस चीजें होती है ना कि इजी मनी, है ना, इजी फेम. समटाइम्स पीपल हैव दैट एक्स फैक्टर है और दैट चार्म दैट कुछ चीजें इजीली मिल जाती है ना, बट नॉट फॉर मोस्ट, है ना. सो इन दैट केस देयर हैज टू बी समथिंग मोर मीनिंगफुल टू इट. तो वो मीनिंगफुल ये होता है कि यार आई एक्चुअली वांट टू डू ओनली दिस इज समथिंग आई लव डूइंग, दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच कम्स वेरी नेचुरली टू मी, दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई कैन डू बेटर देन मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट. अगर आप चीज के लिए बहुत पैशनेट हैं लेकिन आपको लगता है आई एम नॉट मैश अप बिलो एवरीथिंग, स्टिल यू हैव टू रिकंसीडर शुड डू.
Something on the lines of this, Rome wasn't built in a day, but I don't think that all of these things that all these things that keep us at night before turning into something of an achievement, something successful. People don't show that. People also don't see that because again, this survivor is the person we look up to.
Absolutely. बिल्कुल यार, बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हो.
ठीक है. Thank you so much, Amrish, for the interaction. But before we conclude, but here is the thing that also we want you to communicate to our audience. What would be one message you would be sending to your younger self, right? Someone who's trying to figure out that मुझे कुछ अलग करना. What would be a message you would send to your younger self, if any?
यार थोड़ा सा आई थिंक 5-10 साल बाद ज्यादा बेटर बता पाता. आई एम टू यंग इन दिस फील्ड, बट आई थिंक यार
let's say this younger self is a ambitious school student right now, thinking ki I have to become Amrish. So like, what would be your message?
Okay, बड़ा डिफिकल्ट है यार. आई थिंक एक चीज जो है जो अगर मैं which I for example at times feel कि if I would have done then it would have been a better utilization of my time in school or college. तो जो चीज बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है ना यार, है ना, उसमें इन्वेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर श्योर, है ना. तो जो चीजें ना एक सेट पाथ फॉलो करती है ना वो तो हो ही जाएगी. इंजीनियरिंग तो हो ही जाएगी ना 4 साल। अगर मैं फॉर एग्जांपल किसी और चीज में ध्यान दे रहा हूँ, ऐसा तो नहीं इंजीनियरिंग रुक जाएगी। इंजीनियरिंग मतलब ऑफ कोर्स अगर आपने लिटरली फेल ही हो गए तो शायद आपकी इंजीनियरिंग
बैक तो आ सकती है ना हमारे यहाँ पे।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, दैट वाज माय पॉइंट, जस्ट मैनेज दैट। इतना बुरा सीन ना, और मुझे पता है इतनी हार्डकोर पढ़ाई नहीं होती मेरी। 4 साल इंजीनियरिंग बिना, मैंने ऐसे कुछ बहुत पढ़ता नहीं था मैं, बट बिना सप्ली के निकल गया। पॉइंट बीइंग, बट जो चीजें तुम्हें बहुत पसंद है ना एनी पॉइंट इन टाइम, गिव योर a little more than your 100% to that, ताकि अगर उसमें if there is something special in you will figure that out very soon and maybe keep going, or even if you find out कि नहीं यार this is not for me, मैं बोर हो गया, मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा, this is a lot of hard work, you will leave it and you will move on to the next thing. So for example, अगर आप अभी डांस करते हो और एक डांस सोसाइटी में हो, go all out, be a part of that society for 4 years, take a dance class outside, figure out stuff you can do around it, and that applies for everything, for writing, for if you want to be an entrepreneur, maybe read those extra 10 books, start a small venture, whatever. So just go all out in terms of what you feel your passion.
What would be your inspiration? What is your inspiration? I would want to ask a role model, but let's say who's your inspiration in life, or what is your inspiration? So who in this, what is the interchangeable thing that, let's say, what is your inspiration?
I think what would be a better question, because the who तो यार अभी ऐसे कोई नहीं है। यार inspiration बस ये I feel that at least I do things which are more meaningful, है ना, जो आपको करके एक sense of satisfaction होता है, और ये ना चीजें retrospection में समझ आती है कि आपको किस चीज से satisfaction होता है ना। For example, now having done a lot of things in life, I would not even recall 95% of them, है ना, वो मेरी मेमोरी में भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते थे, वो होल्ड नो रेलेवेंस टू। बट इन रेट्रोस्पेक्शन थिंकिंग कि यार ये 5% चीजें अभी भी मेरे साथ हैं, which means even when I'm 40, even when I'm 70, these will be the things which I'll look back and they will matter to me. So I'll make sure कि वो चीजें मेरी लाइफ का बड़ा पार्ट let's say occupy करें, and that could be as simple as, you know, spending time with friends and family, है ना,
right? So a constant thing we always come across, and you know, every great people have great thoughts about this. Ki failure are the stepping stones to success. Failure, I think, is not a term that any of us are new to. Absolutely. Everyone has experienced failures, but what's your view on this? Do you think, you know, that we move on from failures, or do you think they stay with us and help us being a better person? Because I don't think we ever move on from failures.
यार एक्चुअली पता है फेलियर्स का बता दो प्रोज एंड कॉन्स है, तो पहले कॉन की बात करते हैं। फेलियर पे कॉन यह है कि यार आई थिंक वी एज ह्यूमंस आर नॉट एट ऑल इम्यून टू द सेल्फ डाउट, द सेंस ऑफ, यू नो, क्या बोला जाए उसको, एक जो सैड स्टेट ऑफ माइंड होता है ना, वेयर यू वांट टू गिव अप, और कि आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार दिस आई माइट नॉट हैव बीन बेटर आउट ऑफ दिस, वो ना लेके आता ही है ना। तो ये नहीं बोलेंगे फेलियर्स तो बड़ी मजेदार चीज है यार, अरे मैं तो जितने फेलियर्स हैं मेरे को तो और मजा आता है, नहीं, मतलब मे बी few people would say that, I think majority are.
So you would say that after some years, not like in the moment of first thing.
नहीं, again coming back to the pro of it, है ना, but when you face a lot of failures and if you somehow endure, and again this is a very important clause, if you somehow endure, and it's very important to endure, तो ना आप ना बहुत deliberately ना ध्यान देते हो कि यार मैं क्यों फेल हो रहा हूँ, है ना, you make those things, you let's say mend up for those things, also in the process you become very strong in, let's say, the basics, है ना, versus let's say someone who, let's say, might have made it big initially minus the basics because of something, but that something might not be enough for the long haul, है ना, long haul में you might need more strong basics, you might need, तो वैसा वाला ने यार आपने एग्जाम दिया, पहले साल आपका एग्जाम क्लियर हो गया, बहुत सही हो गया व्हाटएवर इंजीनियरिंग का, लेकिन अगर आपने ड्रॉप किया, ठीक है, मतलब मैं आई एम अगेंस्ट ड्रॉपिंग दो, बट लेट्स से इवन अगर आपने ड्रॉप किया यार, यू वुड, लेट्स से यू माइट टेक अ रिवाइज्ड अप्रोच, आप अपने बेसिक्स पे दोबारा जाओगे, आप उनको और स्ट्रॉन्ग करोगे, सो your understanding of the subject versus someone who completed it in 1 year would be multifold. and now that you have put that same thing to whatever field you might be talking about. As a writer, अगर आपकी scripts नहीं बिक रही, है ना, maybe what you would do is you will read 5 more books on writing, है ना, versus someone जिसकी पहली ही बिक गई for whatever reason, but उसके fundamental strong नहीं है. So the day both the writers sit in front of a let's say hardcore director, hotshot, वो बंदा बहुत फट से कैच कर लेगा who here has very strong basics और जो बहुत अच्छे से मेरा थॉट समझ पाएगा versus who just did it by fluke. Same applies for acting also ना. अगर आप सीख नहीं रहे, आप किसी for some reason आप पढ़ गए, लेकिन जब एक challenging project आएगा, so I think failures help you, you know, sit and reflect on what are your shortcomings and then, you know, mend those.
Beautiful. Thank you.
But again, clause always being if you endure. Most of the people don't endure.
So I think most of the people we carry our failures with us, you know. And do you think it's important to take responsibility for things in life? So as to say, I
Oh, absolutely. अच्छा बोलो sorry.
नहीं वही question था sir. I'm asking, do you think it's important to take responsibility for things in life?
भाई absolutely. Even if you feel that you are already aware कि कोई और बंदा responsible है for in a major proportion for something not working out, you still have to sit and find what was that one thing which you could have done better. क्योंकि अगर आप responsibility नहीं लोगे ना, आप एक state of क्या बोले जाए इसको, एक वर्ड नहीं आ रहा, बट आपने you are basically fooling yourself. एक टर्म होती है ना, fool's paradise. फूल्स पैराडाइज होता है जब आप अपने ऊपर कुछ लेते ही नहीं ना, तो आपको लगता है सब अच्छा है, मैं तो बेस्ट हूँ, लाइफ में कुछ हो नहीं पा रहा, सब किसी और की गलती है. That's great, भाई. You'll live a very happy life, but you'll not reach anywhere in life. Versus someone who sits and acknowledges कि भाई मेरी गलतियां हैं और मुझे ही सही करनी है, किसी कोई और सही नहीं करेगा.
So that helps you know कि मैं क्या बेटर कर सकता था, या फिर maybe मैंने अपना बेस्ट दिया, but still there's a scope for improvement that I can give ताकि I succeed. Maybe something.
Absolutely, भाई, absolutely. Acknowledge the fact कि मैंने अपना बेस्ट दिया, but अगर एक चीज नहीं वर्क करी तो भी मेरी वजह से है. Maybe my best is not enough right now. Maybe I have to improve my best. The fact that मैंने अपना बेस्ट दिया might, okay, first you have to pat your back that you did your best. तुम उससे ज़्यादा तो दे ही नहीं सकते ना, अपने बेस्ट से ज़्यादा तो क्या दोगे, है ना? So you have to tell yourself, I did a great job, I gave my best, but my best is not enough for my challenge. So maybe I have to up my best, है ना? Also, Priyanshu से हमने बात करी ना, holding to your failures. भाई equally important is holding on to your wins, है ना? क्योंकि जो wins होते हैं ना, वो आपको in those phases when जब एक self doubt बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, आपके wins ही आपको sustain कर पाते हैं भाई. अगर and hence it's very important. तो जो तुम्हारे wins है ना, उनको एकदम
basically grateful होना for whatever how far I have come, and acknowledging that also is important.
Absolutely भाई, absolutely. Humans are end of the day, तुम्हारे दिमाग को चाहिए ना कुछ अच्छा feedback कि भाई तू अच्छा कर रहा है. Constant negative feedback and criticism will take you nowhere. So hold on to your wins very strongly. है ना? कई बार चलेगा अपनी गलती छूट जाए, पर नहीं है, because कई बार ना आप oblivious होते हो ना, पता है बहुत अच्छा कर जाते हो कि you are getting me. A lot of time people who are self-aware वो डाउट की वजह से रह जाते हैं, but oblivious जनता फोड़ देती है, because उन्हें पता ही नहीं होता चैलेंज कितना बड़ा था, वो flow में ही मचा जाता है.
बिल्कुल. We will end this interaction with one last question that, you know, I think and everyone wants to know, what across, after so many memories, after so many fans, after so many, you know, I would also say so many failures, what is your favorite memory? Generally, a very vague question, but what is your favorite memory?
Actually थोड़ा सा favorite memory.
और memories कर लेते हैं चलो. What are your favorite memories?
चलो डिवाइड लेते तो पर्सनल फ्रंट पे तो ऐसा हो गया, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 2018 में I was working with TVF then, तो मैंने एक ट्रिप प्लान किया था यूएस का, काफी टाइम से मैं प्लान कर रहा था, बट हमेशा कैंसिल होता रहा था. सो एक 21 डे ट्रिप था, वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम ट्रिप्स होते हैं ना, बट मेरी लिटरली लाइफ की सारी सेविंग्स उसमें होने वाली है ना. And I took that trip और वो बहुत I did end up spending a lot, है ना, more than I budgeted, but I'm so happy I did. So personally, for example, I look back at very fondly. Again, क्योंकि यार क्वेश्चन इतना वेग है ना, मैं स्पेसिफिक चीज बता नहीं पा रहा. जैसे I look back taking that decision very fondly. दूसरा, in terms of professionally, I think quitting my job and making the decision that I am going to do this full time, I think I'm happy I did that. And तो
life changing.
हाँ यार, तो जैसे मैंने एक स्केच लिखा था luckiest man in the world टाइम मैगज़ीन पे, तो वो यार उस स्केच से पहले मैंने कुछ ऐसा लिखा या डायरेक्ट नहीं किया था, लिखता था, फेसबुक पे जाता था, वो यूट्यूब पे गया था, तो जिसमें I'm telling you, holding on to your wins, that is one thing I hold very strongly, because when it released, it got very good feedbacks, so it sort of helps you when you're growing ना, कि हाँ, people out there are acknowledging, even like shots, Zakir Khan का, he sort of reposted that video, तो वो I hold very personally और मैं छोड़ता नहीं. तो professionally I look back to that as a great achievement. अभी recently I wrote and directed a show, मेरा पहला show जो मैंने लिखा और डायरेक्ट किया, so I'm super happy I did that, because I could not imagine 2 years in past that I would be directing a show which I have written. That could do that. Super difficult. Even I can't even begin to tell. It were the most excruciating 5 months of my life. But I'm so happy I did that. Yes.
Thank you so much, Amrish. It was a lovely interaction. I am sure we will also be uploading this on YouTube very soon, and we'll make sure to get this into your notice whenever we do. Thank you so much.
हाँ, बिल्कुल प्रियांश, और thank you so much for inviting me, भाई. I think you guys are again guys, a gender neutral term, guy. All of you are doing a great job. और भाई, मतलब I think couldn't have been more excited or let's say grateful for you guys to having invited. Thank you so much.
Thank you.